Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is Sunday, so it's time for another market update. So let's take a look together because to be honest, I don't like what I'm seeing in the markets. So like that, I want to start today with this chart. Is 10 years yield, and for me is very important. Please, by the way, go and check my X account. I post there a short video about explanation how to read these two charts, because in my opinion are the most important thing, especially for the macro market, to have an idea what is going on and to understand in which direction we go. Because if you understand these two charts, it's good for you for your trades, for your investments, and everything, believe me, are very important. So yeah, that's it. Let's go and to see what is going on now. So guys, like I'm seeing in this one, for me, we break last week a very important resistance, like you can see here. Also with my indicator, I have it's on top on this green line, and for me it's very bearish. By the way, when this chart is going up, it's not good for us. Like you can see here, I'm watching also on higher time frames. I don't like what I'm seeing. Also on weekly, if you look like that, on weekly we are in a massive bull flag for this chart. Also you can check the oscillators are going up. Also monthly, look like that. Already I have a green dot on my oscillator, which is not good at all. So I'm expecting in the near future to break this bull flag and go to the upside. Also, like I told you, I don't want to repeat myself, but every time when this chart is going up, it's very bad for us, especially for crypto traders. So yeah, that's it with this one. I want to show you also Dixie. Last week, similar with 10 years yield chart, where in that period of time was there, something like that. Have massive rejection from that one. Was of course a fake out, coming back, still keeping this falling wedge. But look what happened. You know what is this one? Yeah, this is it's a bull flag. When you see this candle formation, we broke that bull flag. Now it's going up. Also, I don't like what I'm seeing on my oscillators, are very bullish. I have a signal on 4 hour from Thursday there. Break it and go to the upside. If you look on a higher time frame, look how it's looking. Also on daily here on my oscillators, I have a green dot, which is not okay, because I'm expecting this type of move again and go continuation to the upside. And like if you can see on weekly, I don't know if you understand this one, but here we are in an important resistance. For a while was a strong support, break it to the downside. Of course I have even this massive support. Sorry, to let me stop this one to understand even better exactly what is going on. So look, I have this time frame on this trend support on a weekly time frame, which is coming from 2008. Yeah, never that one was broken. Here some type of fake outs, but now continuation to the upside. For me, to be honest, what I'm seeing here, it's a possible W pattern on weekly time frame, guys, which is not that great. So I'm expecting this type of move in the future, something like that, coming back, retest, and go to the upside. Remember here, every time this chart is going up, it means bear market. I'm not joking. If you can check in history, that's the reason I make that presentation for you, and go and check that one, because it's very important. Last time when this chart have a W pattern, look what happened. So it was in 2021 when the bear market start. If you remember, in that period of time, bull market was finished, bear market started, and going like that until 2022, when was the bottom for Bitcoin. So that's the reason I'm telling you this chart is very important. So okay, I finish with this one. Let's go and check our market. So I want to start also on higher time frames with Bitcoin. Like you can see here, this is index chart. let me stop this one. So guys, remember last week was in this rising wedge, yeah, like already I explained to you, and I think you know already, this is a bear flag. Finally broke it. Yeah, look what happened. Last time was there last Sunday, just testing 0.53 on Fibonacci level. Perfect bounce from that area, go to the upside, but unfortunately Friday we lost that support on Fibonacci level. Now also we lost this trend support, yeah, which is also very important. I don't know if you understand, guys, but for me what is going on here, it's very similar with what was in November, December last year. So that's the reason I'm telling you I don't like what is going on in the markets. If I'm turn on my indicator, let me show you, it's here. Look what is going on. Also on daily time frame, I have this signal for a short. This is the first one, and it's in a perfect spot. The reason I'm looking on my indicator how I'm trading with this one, especially on this higher time frame, this is where I'm using for investments or shorting the market. Here the reason I'm telling is the perfect one because it's under the line. When I'm seeing a strong signal like that, I'm expecting to go even more to the downside, because to be honest, another one will be appear if the market is going down. Now, don't want to scare you. By the way, look on the oscillators, yeah, on daily time frame, still going to the downside. So that's the reason I'm not that bullish. When I'm going on 4-hour time frame and I'm looking like that, like you can see here, so we need to zoom out a little bit. It's possible, you know how I'm trading like that, yeah, it's possible to have some type of retest this area, that breakout and go continuation to the downside. If I'm looking even more and I want to zoom in, let me go to the Binance chart, because for me also is very important. On Binance chart I have some levels here, guys, yeah, like you can see. These are liquidation levels, like I explained you last time in my first market update. So now we are exactly in the middle. We have liquidation level to the upside and to the downside. So market makers, they can go in the both direction, and especially when Asia session is starting. So I'm very curious to see what is going on there. Now the big ones, which 50 and 100x, to the upside it's around 68,000, to the downside it's around 65,200. Of course we have also the small ones, and when I'm referring to small ones are 25x liquidation levels. So to the upside we have 69,500 K for Bitcoin, and to the downside 63, almost 64 K for Bitcoin. So it's not looking that great. If I'm also looking staying like that on 4-hour time frames, I have a little bit strength in my oscillators, which are going up. Let's see, but we are not out of the woods for the moment, because I don't know if you can see it here, but for me what is going on now is some type of rising wedge, which for me it's a bullish pattern. And on 4-hour time frames, according to my indicator, I don't have a signal for a long. Like you can see here, Bitcoin is pushing, but it's not real. So that's the reason for me, I think it's a possible fake move. Also with this rising wedge, I'm still believing it's a high chance to drop even more. So please be very careful with how you're preparing your week. Because me, to be honest, I want to look this week for shorting the market, and I'm not talking about only Bitcoin. I'm talking about Solana, Ethereum, all the big boys, also XRP, BNB, because they have the biggest market cap, and it's possible if Bitcoin is dropping, this type of altcoins to lose some important levels. So yeah, but again, it's a chance. If you're going on the higher time frames, to have this possible retest, and after go to the downside. Okay, also it's a chance to go like that and break it. We'll find out I think tomorrow or in the next days. Yeah, but for me, again, now that was the support, now it's a strong resistance. Invalidation for this move, of course, we play that rising wedge on the lower time frames, and it goes straight away like that, retesting that area and continuation to the downside. Like you can see, I don't have a bullish mind now and see I'm start talking about okay, market's going to the moon. No, I don't like it, guys, because also I will show you even more, not only about Bitcoin. Everything it's very bearish, not only crypto market, also stock markets, some type of commodities. So yeah, but again, we can trade the market. Yeah, it's not the end of the world. It doesn't matter the direction, we are traders, so we need to prepare for a possible short or a possible long. So yeah, guys, that's it with Bitcoin, what I'm expecting. Again, be careful on liquidation levels, because there's a chance to go up and down, especially tomorrow. I'm expecting a very choppy day, especially Monday. So yeah, please be aware. If Bitcoin is breaking this level from here and is playing this small one rising wedge, Bitcoin can go like that, broke all this liquidation level, take everything from there, and the next area of interest for me will be around 63,000. Like you can see here, I have market on my charts. If we break that area to the downside, I don't know how fast will be the drop if Bitcoin starts dropping to the downside, but the next level for me will be around this level, around 55k for Bitcoin, because here I have 618 Fibonacci levels, and this Fibonacci level is for all the move from 2022 from that bottom. So yeah, I'm expecting like that. If you check even on weekly time frame, I have a different support. So like you can see here, also is correlated with that 618 level. Again, me also I'm looking for to have an idea how big will be the drop if Bitcoin decide to go to the downside. I'm using SMAs, like you can see here. Let me hide everything a little bit. Like you can see here, we have 200 SMA on weekly time frame, which is around 59,000. And me, I'm using a different line, because to be honest, I don't take this one in consideration, because it's not real. But I don't know why everybody, all of the internet, talking about 200 SMA on daily and weekly time frame, because never respect this SMA. For me, the most important one is 336. And for me, I have an idea exactly where will be the bottom for this bear market for Bitcoin, especially because you can look in history and check it already if you don't believe me. Last time in 2022 was exactly on that line. Like you can see here, Bitcoin stopped there, so that's the reason me in that period of time I know okay, that one was the bottom for Bitcoin. Also in COVID time, that drop, I know you cannot see very well, but believe me, put this one on your trading view, use this one 336 and check yourself. Like you can see here, that's the reason I'm that convinced about this one. Look at the drop in COVID time. So please go and check this one. It's a must-have on your trading view. Don't stop believing in this 200 SMA on weekly and daily, because for me it's not that reliable. Look how many times up and down, and you think that one is the bottom, and if you measure from that period of time, it's 30% of the downside, especially in Bitcoin. It's a lot, guys. So please go and check this SMA, because it's very important. So yeah, that's it with Bitcoin. So now I know I have some type of possible supports in the future. if that move is happening. Invalidation, you know, and I hope I'm wrong. We go like that. In Bitcoin we break that resistance, coming back, this one will be again a support and continuation to the upside, but I don't think so, again, because what is going on in the world. So yeah, that's it with Bitcoin. I want to spoke about and show you stock market and metals, commodities, oil, because something very important happened, like we can see here in a daily chart on Dow Jones. We're an important level, guys. Oh, it's not, this is the chart, and this is I already prepared for you. Like you can see here on Dow Jones, we're an important support, and I don't know what you expect from April, because will be in 2 days will be 1st April, and I don't like it what I'm seeing in the market. For me, it's very similar with what happened last year. Like you can see here, exactly April. So in the beginning of April we have a massive drop also in stock markets. So for me it's very similar with this area, yeah, something like that. We are in a similar scenario, yeah. So please be careful. If the stock market is dropping, believe me, also crypto market will drop like crazy, and it's not looking that great. Like you can see here, this one, Dow Jones, it's the only one for the moment in this situation. If you check Nasdaq, we are not there yet, yeah. Look at Nasdaq, we still have room to check this support, because in my opinion it's a strong support what we have here, something like that, to be a little bit better correlation. So yeah, I'm expecting Nasdaq and S&P 500 to follow Dow Jones and go even more to the downside. I don't see, sorry guys, but I don't see nothing well in this market. If you check oscillators, are still going down. Also on weekly, look, we have a lot of room to go to the downside. So that's the reason I'm telling you I cannot be bullish in this market condition. If you can check my indicator, also I have the second signal for a short. That one was the first entry, this is the second one on weekly time frame, and for me guys, this is huge. Also look at this, this red line is going to the downside. Again, we have a lot of room to touch that support. Similar scenario for S&P, is like copy paste with Nasdaq. Again, if you check oscillator, the same, my indicator the same. Basically last week we print another signal for the second short, so it's not looking that great now. I don't know if this one will be a support. I will be very interesting to see. Also I think I will find out with Dow Jones, because again, look what is Dow Jones now. It's exactly in that support. If Dow Jones is losing this support, it's a chance to go even more to the downside, coming like that. Fast move, similar in the future. But again guys, I'm on weekly time frame, yeah, so I'm expecting this move again, and after, but we need to wait for that, because I'm very curious also on Dow Jones, where will be the oscillator, how fast will go to the downside, and how low will be, because last time when bounce was in this area around -40, -39, and now maybe we'll have it's a chance with the how many wars are in the wall now, it's a chance to go even lower than this one. So if it's going even lower, in my opinion, we can go and retest this area, which will be very bad also for our market. So yeah guys, that's it with stock market. It's not looking that great. If you look, if you are trading metals, I look at gold. Also I'm looking at gold. For me, that one was a very strong support, and for me was a confirmation when I see that one on daily time frame, that pin bar candle or hammer candle, whatever you want. Now it's I see some signs of trades in gold, and you want to go to the upside. Also on lower time frame, it's keeping this line on my indicator like a very strong support. Friday I have signal for a long, which is very important for me. So let's see, I have also this trend line there, so I will start to trade again gold because I take a break last week. Also I like oscillators. If I'm going even zoom out even more on 8 hours, for me what is going on here, it's a very good signal. Also I'm taking some type of W pattern, which for me is very good when I'm seeing this. You know me, I like to trade patterns, are very important for me. So yeah, that's it was with gold. If you look at oil, guys, I don't like oil. Yeah, remember, if oil is going up, it's a problem. That's the reason I don't like it, but we can trade it, of course. Look what is going on higher time frames. I have this signal from Friday, which is on daily time frame. Very important, guys. Yeah, so it's in a perfect spot. It's on the green line. It's going to the upside. I have this resistance there, which for me I think it's a very important, because if, let me highlight that, if we break next week, yeah, again next week, not tomorrow, because I don't think so. It's possible, who knows. But if we break this support, this resistance from here, I think the prediction of JP Morgan will come true, because they spoke about the price for oil in the near future will be around $150 per barrel, which is very concerning. It will be a very big problem. So yeah, if this one is happening like that, it's not good for us. Me personally, I'll hope to go like that there, to catch some trades, of course, and have a bounce from there, a strong resistance coming back to the downside, because again, I don't like it. The bullish scenario will be like that, break that resistance, coming back, retest, continuation to the upside. It's very simple with oil. By the way, even if you look on a lower time frames, like you can see what is happening here, I'm expecting again some small resistance now like that, but I think already happened. Oh, we broke that one. So I didn't look last week on oil too often, so that's the reason I didn't have a lot of TA on this one. But yeah, I think like that will happen, because look what is going on with my indicators. Also, this oscillator is still going up. If we check also on the higher time frames, reversal from here on 12 hour, daily still to the upside, and I don't see any sign for the moment to go a reversal in this one and go to the downside, because look, already was a fake out. Now it's going again. It's trying, because it's not there yet, a small golden cross on daily time frame. So yeah, that's it guys with oil. Me also, I will look this week to see what is going on. Maybe I will catch a short from there, or of course scalping, because also I'm scalping oil on very low time frames. When I'm talking about very low time frames, I'm talking about 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes time frame. So yeah, that's it what with that, with oil. Also, I'm looking on natural gas. Please be very careful with natural gas. Is very slow mover. Yeah, it's not moving in the same with oil. But me, I want to look also to possible trades on natural gas this next week. I'm looking like that, because it's possible to break that trend resistance from there. We are not there yet. What I like, it's a possible to this candle from here to be a fake out, because I don't have a signal like that on my indicator. But if we break from this one like that, guys, by the way, me, I like to keep my old TA, because you don't have any idea how many times it's still reliable. So that's the reason I'm keeping there. So I'm expecting we have two possible scenarios coming back here, rejection and go to the downside. and of course the bullish one, if oil start pushing, of course natural gas will push like that, coming back. And look, where is my next area of interest? Why I have that one there? Because it's a gap. Yeah, it's a very big and important gap in my opinion, so maybe it's time to cover that gap. Another, so yeah, that's it with natural gas. Me also, I'm trading also commodities like orange juice, cocoa, sugar. So on orange juice, and please don't laugh, I have some friends laughing maybe, oh man, you are trading orange juice, but believe me, you can trade orange juice and you can make a lot of money, of course. Also in this one. So if you look on weekly time frame to have a bigger picture on this one, look how it's looking. Yeah, for a while, a couple of years in the row, this one has only one direction. Now it's going to the downside, and now it's looking like that. If you check on daily time frame, me, I trade this one in the past. I catch that move, and that's the reason I mark there. I catch that move and I TP exactly there. I didn't wait for that gap to be filled, because also on this one I'm expecting in the near future to fill that gap, and after I will take a look again on orange juice and start trading it, because for the moment I want to stay out from this one because I don't like it what is going on here. But it's a chance again to coming back on this trend support and retesting again, which I will be much interested to catch a trade from that area. If you're looking like that on the higher time frame, is doing some type of bearish flag if you look on weekly, but I don't want to take this one in consideration for the moment, because also I will show you cocoa and sugar. Guys, you need to understand something. If this war continue in the world, will be a very big problem with the fertilizers. Yeah, so will be a shortage in this market. So if no fertilizer for agriculture and stuff like that, sorry, I'm mumbling, also will be a problem for this type of things like cocoa, like wheat, like sugar. So I'm expecting a spike in the price. So that's the reason also I'm looking on this chart and trade it, because why not? If we have a chart, we can trade it. We are traders. So yeah, that's it with orange juice. Like I told you, me personally, I'm watching cocoa now. Like you can see here, now cocoa is in this falling wedge. For me, it's a bullish pattern, but I need to wait. Like you can see here also with my oscillator, didn't broke the this red line, so I'm expecting maybe in the future to break it like that. Also, it's a possible chance now because I see a reversal in oscillators on 4-hour time frame, but of course we need to look also on daily time frame, because I don't like it what is going on. So let's see, that's the reason I want to wait with this one, because it's a chance to go and retest this area. That's the reason I'm waiting like that. I'm not rushing, by the way. When I'm trading with my indicator, let me stop a little bit to explain you how I'm doing. So that was the first entry, but on when it's breaking that one going to the downside, 99% of the time they like to coming back and retest the line, and after the another push to the upside. So that's the reason I need to have patience with this one, because guys, in my opinion, if on this time frame you catch a very good entry, and I don't know if you realize where is cocoa now, let me show you. If in this chart will be a reversal from that area, and stop like that, and you catch an entry from this area, you need only one trade per year. I'm not joking, with the right position size. Yeah, and be careful, this one you trade it with units, not like in a stock market. Yeah, you trade in in a crypto market, you trading with stable coins. No, you're trading with units. So me personally, I'm trading this one on Bybit, and it's working very well for me. Also orange juice and sugar. So yeah, that's it with this one. If you look on sugar, it's an important level, guys. If you see here on weekly time frame, sugar it's close, already break it. I will show you on the lower time frames. Break this trend resistance on weekly time frame. So it's looking very interesting. If you look like that to the big picture, still have room to go to the downside, don't get me wrong, but for me this is an important level. Also, if I'm looking at my oscillators, it's a high chance to come back and break the middle of the oscillator. It's going to the upside. And now I want to show you what I'm talking about, because we broke that resistance. I'm expecting, I'm not in the trade by the way, I'm still waiting. I'm waiting for a retest because this is my style of trading. Never take a trade when I see the breakout. I'm waiting for a retest and after to be. So basically I'm expecting another confirmation. So yeah, this is my this is what I'm waiting, going up like that, coming back, retest, and in that period of time I will take the trade. So yeah, for me it's very bullish what is going on now with sugar. Let me stop everything from here to have a better picture. So yeah guys, this is I'm expecting with sugar. And please go, if you like to trade commodities, this type of things, go and check it, because in my opinion you can make nice money. So yeah, that's it with this one. Coming back to Bitcoin, again a small recap. Be careful what is going on here. Again, this is a bearish pattern. Be careful to the liquidation levels. Be careful for both direction, like here, like I told you. Very, very important what is going on, how will be, especially the Asia Open. If you want to talk about some altcoins, of course I have I'm looking on Ethereum, because you know is the second after Bitcoin, and look what is going on with Ethereum. It didn't broke this trend support like Bitcoin, for example. Is still here, but if Bitcoin decide to go to the downside, Ethereum will broke this level. And I have the next support and interest for me will be around 1.8k for Ethereum. If you go on higher time frames, yeah, also it's not looking that great. If you look like that, again, it's for the moment that one, it's a high correlation with that trend support, which by the way guys, I have on weekly time frame and it's coming from 2020. So if it's not keeping this support, Bitcoin decide to go to the downside, yeah, if it's not keeping this support, will be a very big problem for Ethereum. On the higher time frames, if we lose that that level, this is the next area around $1.4 thousand for Ethereum, and even worse, which is around between $880 to $1,000. So please be careful on this these levels. Of course, in validation, Bitcoin is going to the moon and blah blah blah, which I don't think so. Will be like that. Break it that one, and retest again this area, yeah, which is be around 2,300, which I hope so. I hope to be wrong, yeah, and the market becoming bullish. But let's see. We need to see what is going on from tomorrow. Another one which I'm watching is Solana. Look at Solana, is very interesting. Similar, this one is following Bitcoin even closer. Yeah, like you can see here, already broke that rising wedge. Let me show, because I showed that one to my members in the club I'm working. So breaking like that, retest, and continuation to the downside. So now I'm expecting to go even lower. See, it's not looking that great. Let me remove it. Actually, it's better to have a better picture. So this one didn't coming back for a retest, so I'm expecting Bitcoin have some type of relief rally, go like that, Solana, and after strong rejection from that area, go even more to the downside. Of course, invalidation will be like that, break coming back, that one becoming a support, and this move in the future. Again guys, I'm on a 4-hour time frames. If you check oscillators, was an attempt to go to the upside, but another red dot, which for me it's bearish. Like you can see here, my oscillator telling me bearish, falling, active sell. So it's not looking that great. Also on daily time frame, if you want to check, we still have a lot of room to go to the downside. So please, again, be careful. Don't look for longs. Yeah, my opinion, don't look for anything tomorrow. Me personally, I want to stay out Monday to see what is going on, and after I will start looking for some possible trades, because I'm expecting big volatility, up and down, yeah, especially with Bitcoin, because I show you the liquidation levels. We are exactly in the middle, so it's very important to see where it's going first, because I know if, for example, if it's going to the downside, I know it's a chance to go and take also the one to the upside, because imagine in that period of time, okay, you wake up, you see Bitcoin, oh yeah, that's going to the, it's going to hell. A lot of traders will start putting shorting in that period of time. Some majority of the traders will be they'll start very late the shorts, and they will put stupid stop losses, and of course the market maker, they go and take it take that liquidation level. So please be careful. Yeah, that's the reason I prefer to wait like that. So yeah, this is Solana. And yeah, guys, that's it what I have for you. Please be very careful what is going on in the market, especially tomorrow, especially with the situation in the world. We know our direction in the market. Please don't do stupid things. Have patience is the most important. Please use stop loss. And yeah, I think also I want to do, so today it's Sunday market update. I want to do, and please tell me in the comments if you want like that, every day, like 10-15 minutes, small updates about the market, in which direction, about what I'm doing. And if you have any requests and want to cover more tokens, please tell me in the comment. It's very important for me and for you, of course, if you want to know my opinion about some other tokens. So yeah, guys, I hope you understand what I'm trying to tell you here. This is my opinion about the market. I told you I'm hoping to be wrong, and from tomorrow the market is going to the upside. But again, stock market is looking bearish, crypto market is looking bearish. Yeah, oil is looking very bullish, which you know what it means. When oil is going to the upside, it's a problem from all the markets. And again, please put on your charts 10 years yield chart and Dixie are very important. Yeah, and please go and check that post I put it on X, because it's very important to understand how to interpret these two charts, because by the way, spoiler alert, we have only 4 possible scenarios. So yeah, guys, that's it from my side. See you next time. Take care. Bye.